name is Zanfe and I'm part of the TEG Club team.
TEG Club is a place where students can come, escape their studies, have fun.
Our main goal at TEG Club is to enhance your university experience. So we plan parties, we take you around London, and we have monthly game socials where you can play some games.
Anyone can join TEG Club. All you need to be is a UWS member and you can register.
Our events span over 5 different categories.
My favourite category has to be cultural because it allows students to explore London and learn about all the history it has to offer.
My favourite category is well-being. So when you're studying, you get a little bit stressed out, and we always try to help in that department. So we have yoga, which is one of my favourite activities, workshops that work on your mindfulness and just give you tips and tricks to help you de-stress when you're studying.
Professional development is my favourite category of the TEG Club pillars because it gives the opportunity for the students to meet the professionals and get certifications of participation.
For more information on TEG Club, check out our YouTube channel.